What's going on, guys? Tony Wynn here with Tony's Auto Salon Dallas, and here is part 2 of the Land Rover Discovery. First of all, we want to show off that we removed this dent right here. They had a huge dent right here in the door, and we took that out. It was right around this area. PDR, Paintless Dent Repair. And then we decontaminated this vehicle. It had a lot of contamination on it. And then we applied a 4-year XPEL Fusion ceramic coating, a warranted coating. So if this coating fails, we will fix it under warranty. Look how nice. Discover the paint. It looks so good. Come see Tony's Auto Salon Dallas today to get your vehicle protected, restored, and keeping the shine. Thank you for watching.